At a stakeholder conference organized by the Accra West region of the Electricity Company of Ghana, the regional manager, Engineer Ebenezer Ghani, noted with concern that unauthorized persons, including the municipal assemblies, install streetlights on the national grid without recourse to the company, a situation that negatively impacts power distribution. According to the regional manager, in an attempt to install streetlights in various localities, people end up causing damage to the ECG's network, thereby interrupting power supply. He therefore charged MCs to help in educating residents on streetlight installations and the challenges the activities cause to the company.
The installation of streetlights, which are meant to provide a certain level of security during the night. There are procedures, laid down procedures for the installation of streetlights, but we find situations where people undertake these installations without recourse to ECG. And I give the example of damage to our transformers, which can be overloaded when unexpected load is added to it. We also have the situation where when people without the right ability go installing things on our network, the installation is not done properly. So you would have situations where people have a fault in the supply to their homes. You go and check, and it's because someone was installing a street light, disconnected something on the pole and didn't reconnect it properly, professionally. There's proper collaboration with the ECG business, with the stakeholders involved in the ECG business. And I see the MCEs as primary stakeholders, as very important stakeholders. We would be able to introduce a bit more efficiency into our business and improve on our revenue flows. We think we need them to serve as leaders of the community and provide us with an avenue to get to community members, send messages to the community members regarding the nature of our service, be a source of information to enable us get the wrongdoers in their communities, those whose activities don't inure to the benefit of our network.
The MC for the Korle Klottey municipality, Ni Ejetewia, told Citi News that the management has enlightened his understanding on ECG's operations, especially on streetlight installations.
They've also explained to us some of their challenges. For example, we put streetlights up without recourse to the ECG, and it's not just the assembly or the assembly members per se, but also individuals, because they want to put lights up. Apart from the fact that it is dangerous for everyone to go up there, posts, etc. It also, nobody accounts for that power. Probably if they know, they will know the amount of power that should be put down those routes, etc. So it's been, and then they want us to collaborate more with them. Again, what this meeting is affording us is the opportunity to have the right people, the contacts, so that in such situations we know who exactly we are dealing with. And I think it's a step in the right direction, because in fact I didn't know I had so many districts to deal with, because their system is totally different from the local government system.